talk about binning up local plants. Reckon you could do it, Dan?
So 3 local plants to Binningup that I also have in my garden here in the sand dunes in Binningup, and I'll point some out to you. Eucalyptus utilis, also known as coastal mort. Oleria axillaris, also known as coastal daisy bush. Carpobrotus virescens, also known as coastal pigface.
Why'd you pick those ones, mate?
So the reason why I chose the coastal mort is because, I mean, just look at that branch.
That's a fucking nice branch.
They're just so beautiful. In fact, I love them so much that I bought one to plant for tomorrow. That's how much I love them. And also coastal daisy bush, because they're quite a beautiful contrast plant. So nice bit of silver foliage, really tough. They can make a great hedge. And there's also cultivars available in nurseries that are more compact. So yeah, quite like these, even though they're somewhat basic plants. And also chose the pigface because it's a great ground cover as it stabilizes the soil, and it also has edible properties. So you can eat the fruit, much like a prickly pear or dragon fruit. Similar kind of vibe there. And also you can eat the leaves. So you can cook them, or you can take the skin off, and I'll attempt to do it now. It was too hard taking the skin off, so skin on apparently, but that is gross. But yeah, edible.
Edible. Edible.